Hi everyone and welcome to Public Speaking, COM 115005. My name is Dr. Uli Putri and you can call me Dr. Putri or you can call me Uli. But please don't call me Miss or Ma'am. Yeah. Just a brief introduction about me. I moved to Colorado in 2009, and the reason why I moved here is because I wanted to pursue my PhD, and I went to CU Boulder. I graduated in 2015, and since then I have been teaching both at Front Range as well as at CU Boulder. Here at Front Range, I'm teaching public speaking, interpersonal communication, and intercultural communication. But at CU Boulder, I teach mostly media research as well as media history because I used to work in the media for quite some time. Um, as a matter of fact, I used to work as the managing editor for 17 Indonesia before I moved and became the managing editor for Reader's Digest Indonesia, and then I got scholarship to continue my study here. And I am looking forward to getting to know you and basically sharing knowledge through this online course. Okay, I'm not gonna go too much to talk about myself. Instead, I'm going to start talking about the first slide, which is the agenda for what the course is about. And so in this mini video presentation, I'm going to talk about how to access modules. I'm going to give you a brief explanation on syllabus and course calendar. And then I'm going to talk about assignments and exams. And then I'm going to talk about what to do, what you need to do for the first week of your online course. Okay, let's start with the beginning. How to access modules. There are 10 modules for this course, and each module is for 1 week. And since this is a 10-week course, I set up 10 modules for this course. And you can access it by going to course materials. This is a drop-down menu that you can see on the home page of the course. And then if you click course materials, you can choose content, and then it will take you to that 10 modules that I have set up for this course. And in the first week, in the modules for the first week, you will find syllabus and course calendar. Yeah. And the syllabus basically contains key information about the course, and the course calendar provide you with deadlines and information about what you need to do every week. And in this online course, this is a very key, very important information. There are 2 deadlines each week. I set up for you to have deadlines on Wednesday by 11:59 p.m. as well as on Sunday by 11:59 p.m. And the reasons why I split the deadlines into 2 is so that I'm trying to anticipate. You don't have to work on everything, especially if you tend to procrastinate, and finish everything by the end of the week. By making sure that we have structure and asking you to submit some assignments on Wednesday and some assignment on Sundays, I'm hoping that the load of the course can be distributed equally throughout the week. And then, in addition to talking about this deadline, I also want you to know that every information, new informations or announcements, new materials, I'm going to post on Monday at noon. So for every week, whenever I'm going to tell you that there's going to be this deadline or there's going to be this new information, you can anticipate that those announcements are going to be posted on Monday by noon. And then, because you have 2 deadlines every week, I will also follow up by giving you 2 feedback every week. So feedback will be given at noon on Tuesdays and Fridays. So for assignments that are uploaded on Wednesdays, you can anticipate the feedback the following Fridays. Yeah. So give me 48 hours and I will provide you with the feedback. And assignments that are submitted on Sunday, I will provide the feedback on Tuesday. In addition to that, I also have office hours where you can see me well, you can see me via Zoom. And this will be every Fridays from noon to 1 p.m. If you ask me what happened if I'm not free on Fridays and I actually want to discuss something with you, then just send me an email, yeah, to uli.putri@frontrange.edu. That is ULLY.PUTRI@frontrange.edu, and we can always arrange a different time for you to see me via Zoom. Oh, by the way, the Zoom invitation for office hour is going to be published on, yes, you guessed it, Monday at noon. All right, the next one is I'm going to talk about assignments and exams. Please do not be intimidated by the amount of assignments and exams. I will talk to you about these assignments and exams in details later on, but what I want you to understand is that this is designed to make sure that all the assignments and exams are helping you build the skills and knowledge to become a better public speaker. And what is better than that, than actually applying the knowledge and theories that you learn from this course by delivering speeches. So there are 5 speeches that you're going to deliver during these 10 weeks. Some speeches are shorter, between 2 to 4, 5 to 7 minutes. Some are longer, between 6 to 9 minutes. And obviously, the speech that is only taking 2 to 4 minutes will have, lesser points than speeches that are going to be longer. In total, these 5 speeches are going to have 500 points. And then the next one is you're also going to have 5 quizzes. The first quiz is actually a syllabus quiz. This is my way to make sure that you read the syllabus and you showcase to me that you know what is to be expected and how to be successful in this course. And every quiz is worth 10 points. Now, I want you to understand that quiz 1 and quiz 2 are basically building blocks for you to master the midterm exam. In other words, the exact same questions I'm asking you in quiz 1 and quiz 2 are going to be asked again in the midterm exam. And the questions I'm going to ask on quiz 3 and quiz 4 are going to be asked again in the final exam. I should tell you that syllabus quiz is not considered quiz 1. Syllabus quiz is a syllabus quiz. And also another important information is that these exams are not accumulative. So the material that are going to be asked on the midterm exam are not going to appear again on the final exam. I'm not that mean. So I just want to make sure that you understand the materials that are going to be asked for the midterm, that is only for the midterm, and the materials that are going to be asked for the final, that is only for the final. And then you also have 8 weekly discussions, and I'm only going to set up this weekly discussion from week 1 to week 8, because by week 9 and week 10, I want you to focus on your final speech as well as your final exam. In addition to that, there's going to be 2 one-page reflection paper. This reflection paper basically is going to be submitted on the first week of the class as well as on the last week of the class. And the purpose is basically to ask you to reflect on what is it that you expect from this course. What are the fears, the things that you are basically trying to avoid from delivering speeches, and whether by the end of the semester, those expectations for the course as well as the fears, you're able to conquer it. Yeah. And then in addition to these reflection papers, you're also going to have to submit 3 topic proposal and 3 draft outlines. I want you to understand that the purpose of this topic proposal and draft outlines is for me to provide you feedback and help you in preparing for your speeches. Okay. And last but not least, what to do in the first week. There are 4 things that you need to do on the first week. The first one is go to the discussion board for week 1 and start introducing yourself. You can access the discussion board by clicking the activities menu and choose discussions. And this assignment is due on Wednesday, May 27 by 11:59 p.m. This is a very fun assignment. Basically, you just need to introduce yourself, and then you respond to 2 of your classmates' introduction and say hi, nice to meet you, and ask questions. That way I get to know you, that way your classmates get to know each other, and it's just a good way to start this course. And after you've done with that, I want you to take the syllabus quiz. You can have up to 3 attempts for this quiz only, because the purpose of this is just to basically provide you with 10 free points. I just want to make sure that you read the syllabus, you understand what I'm asking from you, and you understand all the ground rules to be successful for this class. And then you can just take the syllabus quiz. They're going to have 10 questions, 5 multiple choice, 5 true or false, 3 attempts. Basically, you're going to be able to do it easily. So those are the 2 assignments that are due on Wednesday. And there are 2 assignments that are due on Sundays. And these are, first, you have to read chapter 1 and 4 and watch the mini lectures. And then what you need to do is you need to answer the lecture check questions. Another assignment that is due on Sunday by 11:59 p.m. is your 1-page reflection paper. All the prompt for you to be successful in answering the questions is going to be provided with you in details. Yep, basically that's it. Those are the 4 activities that I look forward to read, and I hope you will be able to finish everything by Wednesday and by Sunday. And I do have a last word for you, which is good luck. I cannot wait to get to know you more and read your introduction. And yeah, if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, don't hesitate to email me. And if you want to see me and talk to me, come to my office hour. Thank you, everyone.